everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, welcome! My name is Callie and this is my YouTube channel dedicated to all things nails and good vibes. In today's video, I'm taking you along on a really short shop with me vlog. So recently, if you're new to my channel, I have been on a journey to less toxic nail polish, so this is another episode in my series of the same name. I've been decluttering so many polishes lately and my collection is really starting to shrink, so I do have quite a few polishes that need to be replaced just with better formulas, better ingredients, and there are quite a few new brands that I've been interested to try. So as you can see, the clip I'm showing you right now is of the new Pacifica Plant Magic polishes. They are 16 free and 100% vegan and plant-based, which is very, very cool. So I will be doing a review of these on Friday, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to subscribe. As always, when I am purchasing new polishes lately, I do check out the ingredients beforehand. These polishes do contain acetyl tributyl citrate and tocopherol vitamin E. However, for me personally, I say this all the time in my videos, this is just my personal opinion with the research that I've done and my lifestyle. These particular ingredients are not a big deal to me. They're very, very low on my list of concerns. But of course, if you'd like to learn more about the ingredients in your nail polish, and I encourage you to make your own decisions with this and do your own research, I do have a less toxic page on my website with tons of resources from sources like the EWG, the FDA, and plenty of scientific studies for you to form your own opinion. So please go check that out and make sure you do your research. So I did decide to get a couple of these. I think the formula is very, very cool. I'm very happy that there are brands making more strides to create polishes like this. So I ended up choosing 3 polishes, which I will show you at the end. And by the way, I forgot to say I am shopping in Ulta today. So next to this display was a display of Essie Expressi polishes, and I actually hadn't looked into these yet to see how the ingredients were, and I was actually very, very happy. Once again, these do contain acetyl tributyl citrate as well as ferric ammonium ferrocyanide, which is one I have been researching a bit more lately. I've actually been looking into all of these just to see if I can go a little bit deeper, but for right now, again, these 2 ingredients are very, very low on my list of concerns. So I decided to get just one polish today, and you can see it right here. It's the Dial It Up purple color, and it is so, so pretty, and I had a great time looking around Ulta. They do have quite a few OPI polishes and some older China glaze polishes. I had come here with the intention of getting some more polishes from the brand Nailtopia, which I've been really liking lately, but unfortunately they didn't have any left, so I will have to go to another Ulta, or maybe I'll order some online. But that was my original intention with this video. However, I ended up getting these polishes instead, so I'm really looking forward to sharing these with you in future videos. Like I said already, I'm going to be reviewing the Plant Magic ones on Friday, and you'll probably see the Essie swatch over on my Instagram. I actually did some nail art with it, so I'm excited to share that too. And I believe next week I'm going to post a less toxic nail polish haul, which will be a collective look at some of the polishes that I've purchased since my relaunch and since trying to clean up my collection a bit, and it's been quite fun. It's been a bit stressful, like I said, just going through this whole process and learning new things and making better decisions. It's been really great getting to share this journey with you, and obviously I'm still continuing to do it, and it's always so great to be able to chat with you guys about your current polish favorites or your own less toxic journeys and everything in between in the comments. So thank you to everybody who leaves such lovely messages on my videos and over on my Instagram. Your support, as always, is greatly appreciated. So now let's take a close-up look at the polishes that I got. So this first one is from Pacifica. It's called Blue Moon. It is this really pretty blue-toned gray. I think it's so, so beautiful. And the next one we have here is called Minty, and I was actually getting this one to replace Too Much of a Good Fling from China Glaze. I almost forgot the name. Too Much of a Good Fling from China Glaze was one of my all-time favorite polishes, and I recently decluttered it because the formula was really, really not that good in my opinion. So I decided to get this one instead. I just love colors like this. And the next one that I spotted and decided to pick up is called Diamond. This one is just so cool. This actually looks quite a bit like another Essie that I actually got rid of recently too. So these are so, so beautiful. And finally we have Essie Dial It Up, and I thought this one was so beautiful. I was actually shopping with my mom today and she really liked this one, so we decided to grab this beautiful purple. And like I said, I already did some nail art with this one and I can't wait to share it throughout the month. It is so beautiful. So those are all the polishes I picked up today. So that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I had a great time taking you along on this little shopping vlog with me. Like I said, I'll definitely do more of these in the future. Hopefully they'll be a little bit longer. I know this video is kind of short, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again very soon on Friday with another video. Same nail time, same nail channel. Have a polished rest of your day. Bye!